NMPS Food Group was established in 1990 to meet the rising demand for value-added food products and has since become the market leader in this area. NMPS consolidates good business practices that have made the company a global reference for value-adding with its commitment to quality, innovation and respect of the environment and raw materials. NMPS bundles its activities in Preston, Victoria, from where it steers the currently 7 brands, with numerous production lines and a growing number of manufacturing capabilities. They have an unwavering commitment to quality, food safety and conformity policies. The research and product development team at NMPS is continuously looking at new innovations in order to expand their product range and operational efficiency.
We're a family-run business. There's always going to be challenges with manufacturing. Small to medium-sized business has always had difficulties. The number one difficulty is in obtaining technology or the advancements within technology for 2 reasons. There's one that's a cost factor. The other is that we're in Australia and it's a far island from the rest of the world. So for us to find the latest technology, it's either going to cost a lot of money or it's going to be hard to find.
NMPS engaged Consultel Group to review their current process. Consultel Group, in partnership with PolyVision, developed and implemented a purpose-built solution based on artificial intelligence and real-time video analytics. The solution uses a waterproof camera installed above the production line. This sends real-time video of the product being manufactured to a cloud-based AI engine. The AI engine detects products to determine attributes, such as the number of units, size and quality. The engine can also detect weight, colour, product labelling compliance and product conformance. The Consultel Group PolyVision solution is non-intrusive and can be installed without disruption to the production line. Connecting to the portal, the user can see the product output at a glance and a live video feed of the manufacturing line. This secure user portal is accessible from any mobile or computing device from any location. Management can now be empowered with real-time information of their manufacturing KPIs.
We have trained our AI vision system to detect the quality of the product, various products as well, the size, the waste components coming out, and any improvements that we can make is live. So we don't have to wait for an hour or until someone actually records it. It's recorded live with AI vision.
So, would NMPS recommend AI vision to other organisations?
I highly recommend AI vision for anyone looking to make process improvements and assist their teams. AI has the capability to assist all departments within the business to add value to whatever their job role is.